Welcome back to the universe of TechUp. In this tutorial, we will learn about prototypes and inheritance. First, we need to learn what is prototype. Prototype is are in a JavaScript. Describe them as a mechanism by which JavaScript is objects inherit properties and methods from other objects. This is what is prototypes. JavaScript object inherit the properties and methods from the other objects is called as prototypes. What is prototypes? Prototypes is a JavaScript objects inherit the properties and methods from other objects. You have imagined introduce the concept of the prototype chain, explaining how JavaScript looks up properties and methods in an object's prototype if they are not found in on the object itself. This prototype chain, understanding the prototype property, which is an object that is used to attach properties and methods that should be inherited by instances of the function. Like example, creating a constructor function and adding a methods to its prototype. This is an example for this, and I'm explaining how to creating a objects with prototypes. I'm taking an example to show how to create a objects with prototypes. Create a objects using a constructor functions and how they inherit from their prototypes. Like for example, create a car constructor and add methods to its prototypes. This is what is how to create a objects with prototype. Taking a function, taking a function car make comma model. This dot make is equal to make. This dot model, this dot model equal to model. Prototype car dot prototype dot start equals to function console dot log in printing statement starting the dollar symbol. This dot make and dollar this dot model. This dot model. This dot model. Next end with semicolon. Const using the keyword as a const. My car. My car is equals to new car. Like Toyota. Toyota. Comma. Corolla. Corolla. Next, my car dot start. My car dot start. Starting the Toyota and Corolla. I save this and run this node module. Save this and run this code. Starting the Toyota and Corolla. This is how to create a prototype using a object. How to creating a objects with prototypes. This is all about how to create a objects with prototypes. Next, we move on to the inheritance in JavaScript. What is inheritance in JavaScript? And how one constructor can inherit from another. Let's discuss how one constructor can inherit it from another constructor. For example, create a vehicle constructor and have a car inherit from it. Like it inherit the objects and methods from the parent. This is what is inheritance. For example, a car is belong to the vehicle group, right? So this is the example for inheritance. I'm taking one example to show how it works. Or function vehicle type this dot type equals to type. Next, vehicle dot prototype dot describe equals to function console dot log. This is a this dot type. Next, end with semicolon. I call the function car make comma model open braces the vehicle dot call this dot this comma car in single quote car. It call the parent constructor. This dot make equals to make this dot model. It calls the model end with braces. Next, after this, inherit from vehicle car dot prototype equals to object dot create vehicle dot prototype vehicle dot prototype semicolon. It inherited from vehicle. Next one is car dot prototype dot constructor equals to car the constructor back to the car. Next constant my car equals to new car Honda and Civic in which semicolon. Then my car describe open braces close braces. This is a car. Next my car dot start function type error. My car start is not a function, right? I have to save this and run this. It's showing here. My car start is not a function. I remove this, save this and run this code. This is I save this and run this. This is a car. This is all about inheritance in JavaScript. Next, we move on to the ES6 class. ES6 class means as a syntactical sugar over JavaScript's existing prototype based inheritance. Introduce the ES6 classes as a syntactical sugar over JavaScript's existing prototype based inheritance. It shows how to create a class and extend it. I only modify with this example. In ES6, instead of calling a function, we write class vehicle open braces constructor type open braces. Inside that open braces this dot type dot the kids describe function open braces console.log. This is a this dot type end with semicolon. This is the describe function. Next car extends vehicle open braces constructor comma model. This is open braces semicolon. It called the parent constructor. This dot make is equal to make. This dot model is equal to model. Start function start open braces lower bracket console.log starting the dollar this dot make bracket bracket dollar this dot model close the single quote end with semicolon. This is constant my car equals to new car instead of home. Okay, I'm taking Honda and Civic end with semicolon. My car dot describe. This is the car start function. It brings the starting the Ford. Give this and run this. It's showing this is a car starting the Honda Civic. This is all about using a ES6 class. All about prototype and inheritance ES6 class. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment in this video. Thank you for watching.